Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chevy Silverado grill. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a socket wrench. Open the hood and locate the top mounting bolts. There are typically 4 to 6 bolts across the top. Next, carefully remove any plastic trim clips that secure the upper part of the grill. These clips often require a gentle pry with a flathead screwdriver to release them without damage. Once the top clips are off, proceed to remove the main bolts or screws securing the upper part of the grill. These are usually 10 mm or 13 mm bolts. After the top is loose, check along the sides for any additional clips or small screws. Sometimes there are 2 clips on each side. Gently pull the grill forward a few inches to ensure all visible fasteners are disconnected before proceeding. Now focus on the lower section of the grill. There are typically 4 to 6 lower retaining clips or tabs that hold the bottom firmly in place. These can be a bit trickier to access. Use a plastic trim removal tool or a small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry and release each clip. Be patient and gentle to avoid breaking them. Once all lower connections are free, the grill will come right off. As a helpful tip, always keep all your removed bolts, screws, and clips in a small container so nothing gets lost. This is also a perfect time to clean any debris or dirt that has accumulated behind the grill. When you are ready to reinstall, simply reverse the steps. Make sure all the clips snap securely into place and all bolts are tightened to a snug fit for a proper installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.